कौमी असेंबली में आए रोज हंगामा आराई, ऑपोजिशन और हुकूमत के गैर जिम्मेदाराना रवैये से चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान आसिफ सईद खोसा भी मायूस है।
तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए कहा, पार्लियामान में शोर शराबा होता है, कायदे ईवान और अपोजिशन लीडर को बोलने नहीं दिया जाता, मईशत और खेल के मैदान से भी कोई अच्छी खबर नहीं आ रही।
These days, unfortunately, we are not receiving very good news. News is received which depresses us. We hear about the economy and we are told that either it is in the ICU or it has just come out of the ICU, but the news is depressing. Whoever is responsible, that's not the issue. The issue is that the situation is not very good. When we switch on the television, we see the noise coming out of the parliament, and we see that the leader of the house as well as the leader of the opposition, they are not even being allowed to speak. It depresses us. We change the channel, we look at the World Cup, Cricket World Cup. Unfortunately again, the news is depressing. We look around, we see on the national and international front, we have problems in Afghanistan. There is a war looming as far as Iran is concerned. It all depresses us. That why this region? We have suffered enough. In all this depressing atmosphere, I'm very happy to say that at least there is one sector in our society from where some good news is coming. And that good news is the realization on our part as the relevant organ of the state in charge of dispensation of justice